Welcome to Salesforce Snippets. Today we are going to create a Lightning app in less than 2 minutes. First, log into your Salesforce org. Enter Setup. From Home, search for and select App Manager. Once App Manager opens, select the New Lightning App button. When the new Lightning App window opens, enter an app name, developer name and description. If you have an image or icon, upload it. If you need to update the color, select that too. Select Next. You may prefer a console navigation, but we will review that in a future video. Select Next. Next, you can add utility bar functionality by selecting Add Utility Item in the top right. There are many options here, but for now we will choose Notes. Select Next. On your navigation bar. For this org we are choosing Account, Contact, Case, Lead and Campaign. Select Next. Now select the profiles that can access this app. You can always add more later. Usually you will want to add the system administrator at a minimum. Select Save and Finish. You can now select the app selector icon and see the app you just created. To move the app higher in the list, select View All. Once the window opens, drag the app to the position you would like to see it. Opening the app, you see the standard configuration for the objects you selected to add to your lighting app. Thanks for joining us. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more from Salesforce Snippets.